When it comes to driving safety, nothing is more important than brakes, and disc brakes and drum brakes are two of the most commonly used brake brakes, so let's take a look at how they work today. Disc brakes, also known as disc brakes, have brake pads made of cast iron or composite materials, which are mounted on the wheel hub and rotate with the wheel. When the brakes are applied, a hydraulic pump actuates a caliper to clamp the round brake pads for brake braking. When the pads are clamped, friction prevents the wheel from rotating. Disc brakes apply braking force quickly to shorten the braking distance, and because the brake pads are exposed, they are cooled more effectively. The centrifugal force of rotation throws debris such as cement outward to maintain a certain level of cleanliness of the brake discs. Drum brakes, also known as drum brakes, use friction to realize the braking effect by pushing the piston through the hydraulic pump so that the brake shoes on both sides are close to the wheel brake drum. At this time, the wheel is rolling forward, the forward rolling force will react to the brake drum, amplifying the braking force to realize the braking. Drum brakes are an older type of brake, because when applying the brakes, friction generates a lot of heat, which can lead to overheating of the brakes, which are now used relatively less on small cars. Drum brakes have a good self-braking effect, so they are still generally used on larger vehicles. In addition to being less costly, drum brakes have more braking power than disc brakes, and the drum brakes on larger vehicles also have pneumatic assist. In principle, a disc brake is one that clamps the brakes inward, and a drum brake is one that holds the brakes outward.